Alright guys, for this video, I'm gonna be using suppressors only type shit. Maybe it's big back.
We have no wall denial, people.
Yo, what?
Bro, this started a fucking extinction event.
Mason, or Dylan, barricade this.
Wow.
Dylan, barricade.
We are most definitely living a lavish lifestyle.
How am I eating and still fucking... They're getting walled.
Because we had no wall denial.
They're watching.
Gonna go janitor.
Inside, inside. On site, inside, right here, right here.
Oh fuck. Oh, he's on the fucking skylight. Who does that, bro? So weird for that. Somebody's in the main lobby on skylight. He's still there. What am I watching? Yo. Thank you.
Oh my god, it's fucking down there.
Wow, they killed my robot.
He's not inside. I mean, he's not in party. He's not a party. Oh yeah, he is. Wait, what? I thought it was so random. To your left, to your left! Laying down, laying down!
Oh. Or not.
And, on the table, on the tables. On the table. Right in front of you. Wait. This thing is lagging.
He's lagging.
Whatever.
Oh my god, it's over. It's over! No! No! No!
Worst time to fucking lag. This thing is at 41 ping and started lagging. Wait, bro, it's at 41 ping and started to
The
lag.
packet loss is crazy. I knew it was over.
Let's go downstairs, go downstairs. Someone go Jaeger. We don't need a K. We don't need a banner, you okay?
Oh shit. Oh. Yo, this guy's cooking a big ass crab. What did Dylan send me? Yo. I gotta practice fucking like, what is it called? Fuck, what was that?
Calisthenics?
No, it's the fuck, it's handwriting, whatever the fuck it is.
Guys, just kill nice here because I'm lagging.
Say on skib. Hell yeah.
Dude. Dude, now not having half swipe, like, I don't know, my life's over. Yeah. Cause like, I really
You still have it. How?
It's a habit, bro. Literally,
Wait, how do you still have it?
for anyone. I remember banning in the middle of the open.
Yo, Jaeger. Where you at? No. Okay, this thing's lagging.
I'm getting off.
She always does that, bro.
This bro is lagging hella.
I'm fucking off. Fuck you guys.
Yo.
I'm playing Fortnite. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm done, bro. I give up.
Drop ult.
I fucking give up.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, they're in vault.
God. He's in the gold vault now. In the gold vault. Oh, somebody dropped that hatch, I think. Oh shit, 1 on 4 ping. Come on, popping. Popping.
Okay.
Why is Ronnie just a fucking demon?
They're just hot.
Maybe starting with the meta.
Maybe if Dylan's Wi-Fi was any worse. Okay, I guess we can go back upstairs because we almost won. Dylan, are you gonna join back? Why are you not
For
joining back?
real.
I'm just stuck on a please wait while we connect to the stage servers. I'm about to delete seats for storage. Holy freak. Alright, I'm gonna give this one more go.
Oh yeah.
I don't even know what you said, bro. I'm lagging so bad you cut out like 80 different times.
Wait, you didn't kick Killer Raps?
What?
Dylan, you didn't kick Killer Raps?
Why would I?
I told you to.
Well, he's not talking. My. Finally, I can reconnect. Damn.
If you're lucky, the enemy team's gonna stall long enough for you to get back in.
Nope.
They did not stall.
Oh.
Nice. This is the one and only Queeper.
It's like right as he fucking comes back in.
Yeah. Right when he locked in.
It's okay, guys.
Wi-Fi, yeah.
There was a WKD glitch.
Dylan, just go on cams. They are.
I'm ping. I'm ping.
Dylan, look at this run out.
Oh my guys, let me get some brick armor.
Dylan, look at this run out.
Alright, got some brick armor, guys. Don't even worry.
Yo, reinforcements.
If that Ying pushes that fucking skylight again, I swear to God.
Bro's
gonna
always on the sky.
Barricade these damn windows. We're not letting this happen again.
There's someone repelled on the square window. There could be repelled square. On bottom, going up gold, bottom gold, like very bottom. Up flanking, banana.
Fuck, dude.
Gold.
Blood.
What the fuck was that? Nick, you suck. Oh my.
Square.
Square.
Another one across all.
We have diffuser. That sounds. Wait, here. Square. Dylan, look at square.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know what I was hearing.
Damn!
Damn. I go. Yeah, that was.
It's like free fired his head.
Wait, aimbot? Wait, is that aimbot?
Alright, I'm gonna play as Bussy for this one.
Who the fuck is Bussy?
That's who I'm playing, bro.
Or you don't know.
Nothing
Guys,
else
should I
than
frag
Bussy.
out? Oh, never mind. Ari just likes to take fucking gas.
Yo, this thing is 2000 ping. Who just said 2000 ping? Dylan, do you want some of my Wi-Fi? Do you want me to share some Wi-Fi?
Yeah. Please do. Please do.
Spare
bro.
change.
Or yeah,
fuck
Spare
it.
change.
How far it started.
Or yeah, go lay down.
Yeah.
Cause I don't like this game. But Fortnite Festival, I'm actually a goat.
Oh yeah,
I-
Dylan, then why didn't you play it earlier?
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah.
I was
already
like,
said I'm
Dylan,
good
we
at
should do Fortnite Festival, and you were like, I don't want to do Fortnite Festival.
Well, now
No.
I do because I'm not lagging. Or because I'm lagging. Let's go. Screw this game, Nathan. Let's play Fortnite. Someone take care,
Wow.
bro.
To fuck up these ladders, bro.
I can't, bro. I can't. I can't. Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Probably help our team.
Oh, I'm almost there. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying my hardest. Alright, bro.
You just put him out of his misery. God is this? That's because he just left.
I got
probably.
off.
No, join back. I'm in sight. Yo, come to sight.
Yeah. Gonna plant.
I can't take that sound seriously, bro.
You could be behind Mason. How'd y'all feel about the peep, like, fucking album? I feel like that shit was ass.
Hey, what?
The peep album.
I haven't listened to it because I already know
That shit was ass.
that. Any new Peep song is shit.
Yeah, oh god.
Peep. It's because they. Well, I know that.
What, Dylan, what were you about to say? I'm, uh... No, not Juice WRLD. No, not Juice WRLD. No, I don't think Juice WRLD, like, his music is actually still good. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, Dylan, what were you about to say about Lil Peep?
Yeah,
No, you said that it was because...
Oh, all the new songs they release are like his old ones, which is really like the ones he didn't post for a reason.
Uh,
But no, they're just using both of them.
like 16 lines was good. A lot of his songs were good. Life is Beautiful was good. Yo, going for Vault Hatch. Oh, she got it.
Okay.
And they gated that shit off. John, go upstairs where you're John.
Yeah. I don't see anybody upstairs.
Pat God versus Mason. Pat God has to be a troll. Where are you fusing?
I don't even know. I forgot that shit's not breachable.
Yeah, fuse that. Fuse this hallway one too. Oh, he can't. Never mind.
Yeah.
Yo, wait, do you have the other breach charge thing? Do you have the breach charge thing?
What do you mean?
Like, oh wait, Mason, come here, Mason, come here.
I have the hard breach
We're gonna hot drop
charges.
this. We're gonna hot drop this.
Alright.
3. That's one. Mason, I need your help.
I got him. Holy shit, your head was in the way, bro. I got him. Holy shit. Oh fuck, another one. Nice.
Okay.
The last one was over there.
Alright, where the fuck are you? Get the fuck inside.
Ari? Ari? Made a slight fluke.
Mason, go on cam.
Yep, I'm watching.
He's in the other side. Oh, fuck.
Yep. On the wall. Damn.
Oh my god, fuck. Why are you pushing him? You shouldn't have pushed him.
It was a little bad before you pushed him, I'm not gonna lie.
Dylan, can you join back?
That's
We're
like
desperate.
you.
Dylan, please join back.
I'm lagging at
First
some
place.
point, and then are you just gonna TK me again?
Why did you TK him?
Okay.
He can't even
I could have
TK,
like
but he can't
could have
TK.
waited a little.
I don't think I can ever play IRO, I swear to God.
I already passed those for you, so like that's kind of light work.
They went upstairs. Why is our teammate? No, because why is our teammate going fucking Lion? What does Lion do for us?
What?
Dylan, at least join right now so you don't get banned.
I don't give a fuck. I'm not playing Siege. You're gonna what?
Gonna land hard shots before you.
You probably can. I can't kick flip.
God damn, Legion set this shit up. Holy shit.
I swear Cardi's not even that good. I swear they're Cardi me riders.
Alright.
Alright, so we got nothing like that. Anybody? Mason, blew it up. Get off your game.
Yeah.
Yo, janitor.
Yep.
Got him. Mason, watch my janitor. Someone's down elevator. Mason.
Yep.
Someone's on gold. Mason,
Fuck. No way. He's still up there. Nice. One's in janitor. One was in janitor.
Yeah, stay on that drone. I don't have a diffuser, fuck.
You just have to pray he shows his face. He's probably
Yeah,
on
we're good.
diffuser.
The diffuser's outside. This thing is 1 in 4, like. Do you play co-op? No, I don't play co-op.
I don't know how I got first place, but I'll take it. Do we, mama?
And hide.
Good flank. Great flank. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Above you, right? Dare I say clip of the day? Dare I say clip of the day? We've only seen 2 clips. This guy might win. What the fuck? Honestly, 7 point